Hello friends, welcome again. In this session, we will cover two sample mean tests for paired observation. So, when we call two sample mean tests to be paired, when the sample observations are from the same individual or object. Its example is new drug test on the same person to compare before and after impact on person health. Let's take an example to understand it. Here the question states that an ABC company have developed a medicine to normalize the blood pressure, that in short BP of patient. So each patient BP was measured before giving medicine and after giving medicine. Data collected is given below. Please check the effectiveness of the medicine. Take alpha equal to 0.05. This is the data collected and we will solve this question using Excel. Before that, let's formulate the hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is there is no effect of medicine, that is mu2, which is average of blood pressure recorded before taking medicine, minus mu1, which is the average of blood pressure recorded after taking medicine, is equal to 0. And alternate hypothesis is there is effect of medicine, that is mu2 minus mu1 is less than 0. Since alternate hypothesis has less than sign, therefore it is a lower tail test with rejection region on left hand side. Now let's go to the Excel sheet. This is the same table which was shown in the slide. Now let's go and do the two sample mean test pairwise. For that, first of all click data, then go to the right hand side, then click data analysis, then move downwards and you will see T test pair two sample for means. Then click OK. Now the variable 1 range. This is the variable 1 range. Selecting all of them. And the variable 2 range is this one. And hypothesis mean difference, as we know, is 0. Labels is there. Alpha is 0.05. And output, let's take it here only. Then click OK. So this is the way we will get the output. Let's analyze this result in slides. Now this is the output which we have got in the Excel sheet. Since that it is one tail test, so we will see only the p value of one tail, and here the p value is 1.71 e raised to power minus 7. It is very low value as compared to alpha value, which is 0.05. So we can say that since the p value is less than alpha value, therefore we reject the null hypothesis. Therefore there is effect of medicine on the patient. This ends our session on two sample mean test paired. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you and happy learning.